I think we come out pretty good. Uh-oh. Police car coming. Alright, good morning. We're almost where we need to be to deliver this stuff.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Let's figure out what is going on here.
You wanna take that, Jack? Well, I just put me one more, put me two more on the front.
Your destination is on the right.
Hey, I think I'm still a little light. Put a little bit more in the middle there, Stephen, and I'll go check it. Alright, right there.
Okay. What we're getting into. So I'm supposed to pull off here and swing around. And as you can tell, this place ain't made for over the road trucks. Hope we don't pick up nothing to pop a tire.
Alright, that's gonna do. I'm gonna go with that. 10-4.
You can hear them talking. They're talking here to the crane operators. I turned on the radio just in case somebody said something to me if I was doing something wrong. So the guy talked to me, he said pull out and just kind of drive down the side of the road past that tree.
Thank you, Josh.
Let this guy in here. So you guys can see he has a I guess you call it a recycle trailer. They're pretty heavy duty, made just to haul junk. So, and that guy, I don't know if you can see him, walking in the brown sweater shirt there. He's the one that's gonna unload. Assuming that when we're done, I just back straight up because I got to get back on the scale to get a lightweight. That's what I'm assuming. Find out.
pallet. I didn't trust it.
A lot of weight on that one pallet.
Yeah, we don't have the bottom piece for it.
Unloaded, and we're on our way down to Panama City, and Google Maps said there's about a 45-minute backup on the interstate, so we're going to take the detour, and it looks like we're not the only ones taking the detour here. It's about a 20-mile detour, and what we're actually going to do is get on Highway 31, which kind of runs parallel with I-65. Now, I didn't say it earlier, so I got to say it now. Today's video is sponsored by Dorsey Trailer. And if you want to check anything out about Dorsey Trailers, there's a link down in the description. Alright, I decided to go a little further than Ozark, Alabama, and we're actually in Cottondale, Florida. We're about 30-45 minutes from where we got to load tomorrow, and we can't load till after 11, so we're gonna get a little break, but we're going to pull it into the Loves here so I can get a shower tonight. And it is about 4 o'clock local time right now, and I drove by and it looked like there was plenty of parking. I had people ask me what my thought process when I come into a truck stop of choosing a parking spot. And I have said this before. First off, I want to park in the easiest parking spot available. I am not worried about walking. I need to exercise. So I want the easiest parking spot, and the easiest parking spot for me is pull in and back out, or back in, pull out. So you see like those spots straight ahead right there? Those are good spots. Spots where that tanker's at, those are good spots. What are bad spots? Or are these spots right here, these spots that are kind of right here, because what happens is guys park right here and they can't you can't get out. Also, when I'm thinking about parking, I want to park where the guy next to me has a pretty easy job parking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and park in that one, the first ones that I pointed to, but I gotta get spun around here, and I got this truck behind me, so, and the tanker truck, he's trying to get on the scale. So what I want to do is get spun around. I'll let this guy go around me, and then we'll get spun around. And then that way, we're gonna back straight up, and all we gotta do is pull straight out. All right, so let me get it in gear. So I got the air dumped out of that rear axle because it kind of helps sliding around. It's not too bad. So we're gonna go back over here, gingerly, easy. We don't need to race. And I am going to park next to that United truck right there. Now you see how that tanker is pulled in right there? That could be a little tough pulling out of there. But what happens is guys will park right here on the right, and then it's really hard for guys to back in on these spots. So I definitely don't want to be right there. You know, matter of fact, I think, let's see, let's do this. Let's back in right here next to United. That'll be good. Turn my four ways on so everybody kind of get an idea of what I'm getting ready to do. All right, here we go. Back it up. So now, the guy that parks next to me, all he has to do is pretty much the exact same thing. Pull up, back straight in. Then when we get ready to leave tomorrow, all we gotta do is go straight. So that's kind of some of my thought process when I'm backing up. Just want to be careful. I don't want to hit the curb, rip my mud flaps off. That should be good. All right, that's it for today. We'll call it quits. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.